Hello everyone, welcome to Introducing Literature, first semester core paper, BA English Language and Literature. Here is your textbook. Hope you got the syllabus from other teachers. Try to get this textbook as early as possible. There are 4 modules in this book. I will be dealing with Module 3, Literature and Ideology. Let us try to understand the terms in it. What are the terms? Literature and ideology. What is literature and what is ideology? As you are aware, literature is a collection of written or oral work of art which comprises of prose fiction, poetry, drama, essay, etc. Okay, then what is ideology? You can see that ideology is not a concept as easy as literature. Ideology is a complicated idea which needs explanation. So in order to make you understand the concept of ideology, let us see some examples. You can see an ad of Fair and Lovely. Do you know why the cosmetic cream Fair and Lovely was called Fair and Lovely? Have you thought about it ever? When a birth of a baby is announced, have you noticed somebody asking whether the child is fair or dark? Have you noticed in the matrimonial ads, the bride and bridegroom are advertised as fair and beautiful or fair and handsome? What does all these observations point out? 1. Fairness is considered as a criterion of beauty in our place and our culture. Though in reality, fairness has nothing to do with one's beauty. It is not a fixed criteria. However, in our culture, fairness is considered as a criterion of beauty. That is what we understand from the above examples. Another observation is that we can say that fairness has achieved a dominance in our existing culture regarding criteria of beauty. The word dominance is very important here. Dominance means more importance. Fairness has a dominance among the criteria of beauty in our culture. Dominant doesn't mean that it is true or it is correct or justice. It just got the importance, that's all. So now coming back to ideology. Any dominant idea or belief or representation existing in a society or work of art can be described as ideology. In the above example, preferring a fair one is based on the ideology of fairness. An ideology or a dominant idea will be embedded or hidden in every work of art, whether it is a work of literature or cinema or anything. You should watch very carefully in order to understand the ideology existing in the book, cinema, or artwork, any artwork. It may not be found so easily. The dominant idea in a work of art will always be according to the preference of a majority of people in a society. So that is very important. The dominant idea is included in that particular work of art, because that idea will be having a preference for the majority in that society. Another example, have you noticed? When the male hero in a movie tries to control a bold woman character, it is often received with applause, not only by men but also by women. This is because male superiority is a dominant idea in our society. Such films are trying to support the dominant idea in the society. Thus, we can say that such films are male oriented or patriarchal in their ideology. So, we are coming to a definition. The term ideology is used to refer the dominant beliefs, ideas, and representations which support the existing practices in a society. So, that is ideology. This module will teach you to read a textbook or work very closely in order to identify the ideology embedded in it. Hereafter, when you watch a film or read a book, try to identify the dominant idea in it. See, just imagine a Malayalam film. All these Malayalam films, or all all films in general, will be having something hidden in it. I was saying about in Malayalam film particularly because it is easily accessible to you. All these films have something embedded in it. They are patriarchal in one sense, they are anti-women, they are anti-tribal. These are only some of the ideological elements that are being part of our discourse. So this chapter or this module will enable you to understand more about the hidden factors in a literary work. Now let me ask you one thing. Can you now guess why Fair and Lovely changed its name to Glow and Lovely? Think about it. Thank you.